Hello, my name is Justin Lee, and this is my CIT 336 Enhancement 8 project part. In this part, we're to create a product detail page for each of the categories, and to show how responsive and that they check out in the code. So if I go over here, we can go to this page, goes to the CAM page and brings us this, and then if we just click on the mortar, we can see that this is our product detail page. So first I'll go ahead and validate it with CSS. You can see there's no errors found there. Go back and do the HTML. No errors or warning there. So then we go back in here and make this smaller. You see that it is responsive, and that once it gets to a certain size, it kicks the product underneath. Let's go back up and show you another one so you can see a couple of them to see that they're all working. So go to the car here. You can see that this one has it on the side and that it is responsive. Let's do another one. Let's go to the rocket. Click the rocket. You can see this one has the same stuff here. You go smaller. You can see it brings it in. And you go bigger, it brings it back to that view. Now if you have a category that doesn't have anything in there, it's going to bring up this error message. Sorry, there's no products that can do that. So that's Enhancement 8. Thank you.